Canon appears to be preparing one of its most intriguing mirrorless cameras in years, and if the latest rumors prove accurate, it could redefine what buyers expect from an affordable full-frame camera. The rumored Canon EOS R8 Mark II is no longer being described as a routine refresh of the original EOS R8. Instead, leaks suggest Canon is taking a much more ambitious approach by combining modern mirrorless technology with a design inspired by one of the company's most iconic film cameras. Rather than simply adding a few new features and calling it an upgrade, Canon may be creating a camera that stands out both visually and technically. If these reports are correct, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II could become one of the most anticipated camera launches of 2026 and perhaps one of the most exciting entry-level full-frame cameras Canon has ever produced. One of the biggest reasons for the growing excitement is the possibility that Canon is abandoning its familiar mirrorless design language for this model. Current EOS R series cameras generally follow a modern, functional appearance with deep grips, rounded edges, and conventional control layouts. However, multiple rumors now suggest the Canon EOS R8 Mark II will move in an entirely different direction by embracing a retro-inspired body that pays tribute to Canon's photographic heritage. Instead of looking like another variation of the existing EOS lineup, this camera may introduce classic styling elements that remind photographers of the legendary Canon AE1, one of the company's most successful film cameras ever produced. Such a move would instantly make the camera visually distinctive in a market where many mirrorless models have begun to resemble one another. Interest surrounding this retro design gained momentum after reports emerged from respected Canon insiders during the first half of 2026. According to those sources, among all of Canon's rumored cameras, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II is the model they are most confident will launch this year. What makes this report particularly noteworthy is that the design changes are said to be more than cosmetic. Instead of receiving a simple update with minor styling tweaks, the camera may receive an entirely reimagined exterior built specifically to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Canon AE1, which first appeared in 1976 and went on to sell more than 5 million units worldwide. That camera played a major role in Canon's history, and celebrating its legacy through a modern mirrorless model would be a fitting tribute. If the rumors accurately describe Canon's plans, photographers could see a body featuring flatter surfaces, sharper lines, vintage-inspired control dials, and a more compact overall appearance. The grip may become smaller than current EOS R models, while the control layout could move away from Canon's familiar modern arrangement. Exactly how closely Canon intends to replicate the feel of the AE1 remains unknown, but even a partial return to classic design would represent a significant shift for the company. Retro cameras have become increasingly popular in recent years because they combine nostalgic aesthetics with modern imaging performance, allowing photographers to enjoy contemporary technology without sacrificing timeless design. While the exterior has generated enormous discussion, the internal hardware may prove equally important. Current rumors suggest the Canon EOS R8 Mark II could inherit much of its imaging technology from Canon's higher-end cameras. One of the strongest reports points toward a 32.5 or 33 megapixel backside illuminated camo sensor similar to the one expected in the EOS R6 Mark III. If that proves accurate, it would represent a substantial increase in resolution compared to the original EOS R8, which features a 24.2 megapixel sensor. Such an upgrade would provide photographers with greater detail, increased cropping flexibility, and improved overall image quality while still maintaining the advantages of a full-frame sensor. This possibility also fits Canon's established product strategy. In previous generations, Canon has often introduced new imaging sensors in higher-end cameras before gradually bringing them to more affordable models. The original EOS R8 itself followed this pattern by sharing its sensor with the EOS R6 Mark II. Because of that history, many industry observers believe it would make sense for the Canon EOS R8 Mark II to receive the latest full-frame sensor from the EOS R6 Mark III or another premium model. Doing so would allow Canon to deliver impressive image quality without completely redesigning its imaging pipeline. Despite these expectations, it is important to separate speculation from confirmed information. Even the most reliable Canon insiders have acknowledged that while they are highly confident the camera itself is coming, many of the technical specifications remain unverified. There is still no official confirmation regarding sensor resolution, processor, video capabilities, burst shooting speeds, autofocus improvements, or battery performance. As a result, many of the specifications currently circulating online should still be viewed as educated predictions rather than established facts. Nevertheless, there are logical reasons to believe Canon may position the Canon EOS R8 Mark II as a camera that emphasizes photography slightly more than video. Canon already offers numerous mirrorless cameras aimed at hybrid creators and filmmakers, including several models that excel in video production. A retro-inspired camera naturally appeals to photographers who appreciate classic camera handling and tactile controls. Pairing vintage styling with a higher resolution sensor would reinforce that identity and create a camera that feels purpose-built for still photography while still offering capable video features for content creators. If even a portion of these rumors proves accurate, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II could become one of the defining camera releases of 2026. It has the potential to appeal not only to photographers looking for an affordable full-frame camera but also to enthusiasts who appreciate classic design, tactile controls, and the emotional connection that vintage-inspired cameras often create. Until Canon officially reveals the camera, speculation will undoubtedly continue, but one thing is already clear: the Canon EOS R8 Mark II has captured the attention of the photography world, and its eventual launch is shaping up to be one of the year's most closely watched camera announcements.